morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. This is a delayed report. Since I was out on Friday, we're going to go over the exports that came out and the reaction to those markets. Let's go ahead and start with cotton. Net sales of 194,200 running bales. That's down 26% from the previous week, but up 34% from the 4-week average. That's a good number. Let's take a look at the breakdown. Vietnam took 83,200. China took 43,100. South Korea took 19,300. Then let's take a look at new crop sales, 297,200, a very good number, primarily for China, taking 65,600. Mexico taking 47,300. Vietnam taking 47,200. And we have shipments. Let's see what our shipments were. 302,500. Now, looking back at the reaction of the market, at the time this report came out, just the minute before, December cotton was trading 68.28. Then looking over the next 30 minutes, it had traded up to 68.45. That was up 17 from the time this report came out. Then it back off back toward unchanged from which was 68.28, and that was the reaction. The market sometime later started to firm up. So immediate reaction up, but then coming back off. November soybeans. Let's take a look at that number. We've got sales of 365,500, up 17% from the previous week and 58% from the 4-week average. Mexico took 141,200. Unknown destinations took 92,100. China took 66,200. Looking at the reaction of the market there, we had November soybeans at the time, just as the market was as the report came out, it was trading at 10.01 3/4. It traded up to 10.02 3/4, so 1 cent reaction over a 15-minute period. At 7:45, the market's closing grains for 45 minutes. So for that 45 minutes, reaction was up a penny. December corn, let's take a look at that number. Net sales of 140,300. That's a marketing year low, down 56% from the previous week and 69% from the 4-week average. The Netherlands took 135,100. Mexico took 81,000 metric tons. South Korea took 63,600 metric tons. And we did have some cancellations. I see a cancellation that came out, unknown destinations, which it always is, 278,400 there. But this had no reaction in the market. The market actually rallied, and this was a light number. I think the overriding issues on Friday were the dry weather, causing that market to firm up. The reaction of the market was with a number. We had been trading at 406 1/4 in December corn just before the report, traded up to 408. So it had been up rallied about a penny and 3/4 after that. Let's look at wheat. Net sales of 375,300 metric tons. Increases were the Philippines took 105,000, South Korea took 80,100, Mexico took 73,900. The reaction in wheat in September was trading 536 3/4 before the report, traded up a penny over a 15-minute period. So not a lot of reaction there. Actually, the worst number was corn, and it had the biggest reaction. But again, the thing of greatest concern is the weather. So that's really it. Just wanted to kind of give you a update of what happened on Friday when these reports came out and what the immediate reaction was. That's it for the E3 Weekly Market Report. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.